item disappeared. You're sad now.
The big marshmallow off a big hero 6 going bottom.
I want to use the crucifix earlier.
Oh wait, I got items.
Hell yeah!
Hey, eyes. Ow!
She was a fairy. I believe I can fly.
Can you hear me? But I can't hear you. Humans! Oh my!
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Remy, why are you breathing intensely?
I eat little baby's ice cream.
What the hell?
I kind of equipped the... Why did I die?
She was a
I died! Revive me! Hello? My screen! Gosh, I want to die! Hey! You guys just... Oh my god! I'm used to cook more.
Can't go with the water.
Ow, bro, how am I supposed to know?
Oh wait,
What the heck is going on, y'all?
I don't feel so good.
that's the only reason how you could get over here.
Yeah.
Where you screaming in your brain?
To fling myself in this game.
Oh no.
Oh, there we go. Oh no. Oh no.
What the hell, boy?
Whoa. Oh, wait. That's not what I mean. What?
She was a
Oh god, Chase. Chase, no. Chase, no.
Yeah! I will laugh!
You got mail. Get over here.
Okay, nobody shoot each other. Nobody shoot each other.
I am going to walk to my destination.
No.
Intruders!
That's not very nice. That's not very nice.
Bro, I can hear y'all!
Moisturizing hair care.
Bye.
Stone.
Reza. I must set your bald head on fire.
Hello there. Hello there.